Question 36. We have done something like this, right, in a tutorial. The guy pulling himself up. It's actually a similar problem if you think about the forces acting on the load. So let's consider, right, forces acting on the first pulley. Okay, so we have this pulley, right. The forces acting on him, right, are two. So this is called tension, and this is let's call it tension 1, and this is also tension 1. Then there's another force acting on it the other way, so this is tension 2. Quite clearly, right, if these are the three forces acting on the first pulley, then, right, T1 plus T1 equals to T2. So T1 equals to half T2. And T2 is in turn, right, equals to 50 Newton. Okay, so T1 is equals to half of 50, which is 25. And, right, let's consider the second pulley. The second pulley, right, you see the string that contains T1 runs over it. So, right, the pulling force at Q, right, has to be also equals to 25 because it's the same string. Okay, yeah, so answer will be 25 Newton for magnitude of Q. And what will be the work done by Q? Okay, it will be the same as the gain in GPE of the 50 Newton weight. Because, right, the 50 Newton weight, right, gains GPE because of your pulling. Thus, right, it has to be equal, the work done by Q and the GPE term. But, right, you may think, why so? Since the force, right, you see, the force is 25 Newton, but the weight, right, is 50 Newton. So if you pull by the same distance, right, you pull by a certain distance, the pulley, the mass goes up by the same distance. Why wouldn't the two numbers be different? Reason is because, right, when you actually, right, pull this up by a certain distance, let me draw it. When this guy, right, goes up by a distance of h, the string on the left hand side here will have decreased by h. The string on the right hand side here will also decrease by h in terms of length because you put the pulley up, which means, right, here you will have to pull down by 2h. Thus, right, the work done by the 25 Newton is done along a distance of 2h, okay, and that's equals to 15 Newton times h. So the two quantity, right, are actually equal.